everyone! Welcome back to Coco Beads. I am Laura and this week I'm going to show you how to make these super cute rings. You can also make earrings though. It's actually a set to be the cutest person ever. Obviously you can decide if you want only the ring or the earrings. To make it you will need all these supplies. To start this ring, insert 10 beads on a needle. You can use more beads, but make sure it's an even number. I recommend to use 10 beads because the start looks better. Now take all beads to the end of the thread. As the thread comes from the top, introduce the needle from the bottom to the top through all 10 beads. Don't skip any beads or your work will look terrible. Tighten it and you will see a kind of bow shape. Tie a knot twice and bye-bye bow shape, hello ring shape. By the way, I'm using a white thread because I want you to see everything very good. You should use a transparent one though. Insert the needle through the bead next to the knot, only through the next one, and pull a little bit to hide the knot inside the bead. Now cut any excessive thread you have. Insert one more bead on your needle. Look for the bead where the thread is coming from. And now count one bead back and insert the needle through the 2 beads. Tighten the thread and you will see one of the start points. Here it is! Hello cutie! Now go through the next 2 beads, only 2. Tighten the thread and insert one more bead. Go through those 2 beads once again. Woohoo! Now we have 2 start points. Do it one more time. Take your needle through the next 2 beads. Tighten the thread. Insert one more bead and go through the 2 same beads again. Do it one more time to get 4 points. And to finish the shape, take the needle through the next 2 beads and make that point as usual. To secure the star, just make a couple of knots. Now insert a bigger bead. This new bead should measure the same width as the center hole of the star. Look, this thread is placed over the star, so you have to go underneath and through the bigger bead hole again. This step is to secure it. Another option is to tie a knot at the end of the big bead. I reckon this way is better to make it stronger, but you know, the choice is yours. Well, as you can see, I'm making the knot in this other side. Cut any excessive thread and the star is finished. Cut yourself a 21 gauge wire, like 6 centimeters longer than your finger measurements. Now make a spiral in one of the sides. Use copper or brass to make this base because it will be easier to manage. This is a 5 mm spiral, big enough to hold the star and small enough to be hidden under the star. Wrap this piece of wire around a cylindrical object to give it like a ring shape, and make a loop in the other side. Pour a bit of glue in the spiral. I use this brand of glue, it is special for jewelry and is super good. And now glue your star. Wait 24 hours and all done! If you want to make the earrings, all you have to do is to add a jump ring to one of the points. And obviously join it to an earring base. Oh my god, these earrings are super cute! If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified every time I'll post new videos. Thanks for watching, hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.